Here's the other side, Fleetwood Flair. It's dirty, but we'll get her all fixed up. We're gonna put the electric step in it. Got that lead glass window, that's gonna look really pretty. And we're going into it. I've got all the floor ripped out. Yeah, before me thought he was a carpenter. Yeah, here's an example. Look at this right here. That's what he calls finished work. Well, you know, the guy was not a finished carpenter. So we got everything tore out. Got all my doors. Got my air conditioner, which still works fine. I've got all these cupboards tore out. I'm about ready to pull this out. Here's where that piece of shit cabinet countertop was. And the guy was just as good an electrician too. Look at this crap. It was all hanging over the top of everything. It's just, it needs a lot of TLC. But luckily everything is solid everywhere. That's just incredible. Here's the old shower. Of course, I'll maybe be putting a new one in. This is going to be a brand new motorhome when I get done with it. One good thing about it, it runs great. And so mechanically, it's strong. That guy right out there, see him outside, that's my grandson, Trenton. He's the one who helped me do this. We'll get some more pictures of him later.